tried and true marketing. I'm talking about direct mail. I'm talking about flyers. I'm talking about postcards. Okay. This tactic is very old. All right. And it's kind of been dying down, right, with the rise of email. But guess what? Now there's a great reset. Now there's more junk in your email than there is in your actual mailbox. And people that say direct mail is dead, I don't believe that. And I'll believe it when USPS goes out of business. Mail is still being delivered, and I pay more attention to my mail than I do to my email because there's a lot of junk now. All right. And not many people want to go through the trouble of sending you actual mail. So you can be that person that can, just capitalize on that insight. So just like these people did, right? South Broad Paint, they sent 3,000 postcards. They received 4 responses out of the 3,000. Ended up making about $100,000 on that. All right, that ROI is 3,000%. 3,000% ROI, guys. Now, New Orleans Flooring, they mailed 15,000 postcards all at one time. So they sent it out blindly, which is something we don't like to do, but it's good to do maybe once a year. Once a year is fine. Ours are very, very targeted. All right. Anyways, they sent theirs all at one time. Now, they made about $33,000 in revenue. All right. Now, even the ones that didn't convert. So, I mean, it's right here, right? 40 people responded, and then they actually got 10 of them, right? And then $33,000 in revenue came out of that. So not only did the direct mail marketing campaign boost revenue, but New Orleans Flooring also said it increased the brand awareness in the local area, which is huge. All right. That's the power of direct mail. Stonebridge Interiors mailed 6,000 of these postcards. They generated $150,000, 2,800% ROI. They spent $5,000 to get $150,000, guys. That's pretty good. Premier Plus Storm Team, that is a roofing company. 7,000 postcards to get $174,000 in revenue. That's another 3,000 ROI, guys. All right. So there's a ton more. I don't want to bore you with this stuff, but this alone can make you so much money. And we have this stuff all automated within our system, within our program. We can plug you into this thing on day one. Basically, what it's going to do is it's going to send postcards to all of the neighbors of your current job site, the immediate 10 houses that are in the surrounding area that are saying, hey, we're going to be in your area. This is Gold Shark Kitchen and Baths, or whoever, or whatever the name is. This is Gold Shark Kitchen and Baths. We're coming to your area. Excuse the noise. We are working on your neighbor's roof, or we're working on your neighbor's kitchen. They are going with this and this and that. And since we're in an area, we can stop by and give you a free estimate on what we're doing. Now, knowing neighbors and how they work, right? They're all the same people. They live in the same area. They typically make the same amount of money. They drive the same cars. They just have the same personalities for the most part. When they see the Johnsons down the street getting their home painted, they're like, oh, I might need that. Or pressure washing, right? It's very common in pressure washing. They're getting their driveway worked on. Say, oh, they go up to the guy and say, hey, how much for that? Can you do mine next? Are you available today? Are you available next week? I really need mine done. They see other neighbors get things done. They want the same thing. I just heard it happen last week with my father-in-law. That's just how neighbors work. I don't make the rules here, guys. But that's why these postcards are so high in return on investment, is because they're targeted. Now, you can send them out blindly if you like. Again, I recommend doing that one time a year and just seeing what you get, right? Just throw the damn darts. But typically what we do is send 10 postcards, very cheap to do. You already have the job. You already have the lead. Let's just see if the neighbors want the same. And then you can knock them out in the same visit. It's amazing. That's how our postcard mechanism works. That is the protocol that we will be installing into your business should we move forward. All right. I will see you on the next one. Thank you so much.